SAREX 22, Indian Coast Guard exercise. The Indian Coast Guard recently conducted its biennial National Maritime Search and Rescue Exercise SAREX 22 off the Chennai coast. Key points. During this, 24 observers from 16 countries participated in the exercise organized under the theme, Capacity Building Towards Maritime Security. This was the 10th exercise conducted by the Coast Guard. During this exercise, new technology like remote-controlled lifebuoys were demonstrated over the Bay of Bengal. Indian Coast Guard. It is an armed force, search and rescue agency that protects maritime interests of India. It is a maritime law enforcement agency. It was established in 1978 by Coast Guard Act, 1978. It operates under Ministry of Defence. The following are the missions of Indian Coast Guard. To protect artificial islands. To protect marine ecology and environment. To protect fishermen and mariners at Aya. The responsibilities of the Indian Coast Guard are offshore security.